My first introduction to another great transition in my life was when I traveled to Mayo Clinic to work with Dr. Mark Bolander in his lab doing a higher degree molecular biology. And that certainly proved to be very important to me, understanding science, how to formulate ideas, and how to pursue them in a scientific way. I was very fortunate to bask in the glory of Mayo Clinic for many years and benefit from the wisdom, mentorship, and friendship of many people, some of whom are in this room. I was also very fortunate, thanks to my great friend and mentor, Dr. John Callahan, to spend 2 weeks with Dr. Ignacio Ponsetti, amazing gentleman from Portugal, who we know has changed the way we treat club feet and pediatric conditions. He, in those 2 weeks, taught me how to think about formulating ideas and how to conduct scientific research. He had published a paper in 1955 in the Journal of Science implicating reactive nitrogen species as the culprit for contractures and tendinopathies. And it took us 30 years to come to the same conclusions as he had done in 1955. Another giant from whose wisdom and mentorship I benefited was Professor Gans when I spent 6 months in Bern with him. One of the greatest transitions in my life, which I will always remain very grateful to, was going to Rothman Institute in the year 2003 to an open arm by Dick Rothman and great friends like Peter Sharkey and others. These 20 years that I've spent at Rothman has transitioned me into who I am today. They gave me the opportunity to pursue my passion and dream of doing research and being a clinician scientist. Having great laboratory built by Rocky Tuan and then later enhanced by Irving Shapiro and Noreen Hickok allowed me to write grants to work with these brilliant scientists, and was also beneficiary of a grant from OREF and JBJS, the first year of clinician scientists, that supplemented my salary and allowed me to have the autonomy to pursue a passion, and my passion being the field of infection. And now, as I transition into the next juncture of my life, going to Turkey and Barcelona, I am surrounded by great friends, some of whom are in this room, which I'm sure they will hold my hand and take me through the challenging times that lie ahead.